Hello, this is Smati from NXT Experience Solution. Here is the person who got a very highly reputed company in Sasing. He is the person is the Shashi Bhushan.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Shashi, why did you choose the NXT?
Uh, I was very much fascinated about the development,
Okay,
and I need a platform which gave me a real-time picture and real-time scenario of development.
okay,
Over here, the environment and the development pictures which I need for growing as a software professional.
okay,
So I choose NXC because the real-time development scenario and the real-time development pictures are provided by the NXGs with the real-time setup they have, the real-time the projects they conduct, and which helped me a lot in selecting my career, and which ultimately resulted in getting a placement in Saskia.
okay, very good. And what benefit did you get from training with us?
The major benefit I got from the NXG Experience Solutions is, as I said, there are something you require to grow the real-time application, the real-time setup, the real-time development, which normally is not provided by any other organization or company, neither in the college. There are also certain tools which I encountered first time in my life, in my career, which was provided by here. Also, a lot of development practices, a lots of assignments, a lots of rigorous procedures, which actually took the best out of me and which resulted a good future for me.
Tell me something about the faculties who's working in next year and how they are taking your the classes in a proper time and
The major strength of the NXG Experience Solution is that it has got a strong backup of faculty. The
Okay.
faculty is very sound, and they are in fact very much helpful. They are very much cordial in
Okay.
their way of conducting. At the same time, they are very professional.
okay,
So you can have any doubts clarified at any moment of the time,
okay,
irrespective of the what time you are asking them these questions.
okay. Is it that infrastructure is very good for that the particular who's the coming new students getting interested to get the training from next year?
Yeah, infrastructure is pretty good. And if anybody has this doubt, can visit its infrastructure. I was impressed by the infrastructure which NXG has got, and I would suggest anybody to just have a look of the infrastructure before taking or signing up in this course. So there is nothing to hide about. It's very much open, and I would say it has got a good amount of setup for the different applications and the stack application. So it's very much it's very much open to what you want to receive, and it's very much open in every sense.
Okay, last but not the least, you have to if you want to describe the next year in a word in one word, so which sentence you are using?
I would in one line I would describe NXG as the solution for your career.
Okay, thank you so much and wish you very best of luck for your future, and I hope you whatever you want to achieve in your life, so you get.
Okay,
Thanks.